phrase, "once in a blue moon," has become a ubiquitous part of our lexicon, a figurative expression used to describe something that happens infrequently, a rare and exceptional occurrence. But the origins of this idiom are rooted in the actual celestial phenomenon of a blue moon, a second full moon that appears within the same calendar month, a celestial rarity that, much like the metaphorical blue moon, is a sight to behold. You're crouched by the riverbank, sifting through the gravel and sand with your bare hands, desperately searching for that elusive blue moon. It's been weeks since you first set out on this quest, and you're starting to lose hope. But you can't give up now, not when you're so close. The literal interpretation of a blue moon is a relatively modern one, however. The phrase has a long and storied history, with its origins stretching back centuries, its meaning evolving and shifting over time. To truly understand the significance of a blue moon, one must delve into the rich tapestry of astronomical lore, cultural traditions, and the inherent human fascination with the luminous orb that graces our night skies. You've been chasing this rare celestial event for as long as you can remember, captivated by the idea of witnessing something so extraordinary. The blue moon, a phenomenon that occurs once every few years, is said to be a magical sight to behold, and you're determined to be there when it happens. In ancient times, the appearance of the moon in all its phases held deep significance for countless civilizations. The waxing and waning of the lunar cycle was closely tied to the rhythms of life, influencing the tides, the seasons, and the very cycles of birth and death. The full moon, in particular, was imbued with a sense of mysticism and wonder, a celestial event that captivated the imagination of our ancestors. As you scoop up another handful of sediment, your fingers brush against something smooth and round. Your heart leaps. Could this be it? But as you bring it up to the light, you realize it's not the elusive blue moon after all. It's a perfectly spherical pearl, glistening in the sunlight. It is within this context that the phrase blue moon first emerged, though its original meaning was quite different from the modern interpretation. In the 16th century, the term blue moon was used to describe the third full moon in a season that contained 4 full moons, rather than the typical 3. This rarity was seen as a cosmic anomaly, a celestial event that defied the expected patterns of the lunar cycle. You let out a frustrated sigh, but even in your disappointment, you can't help but marvel at the rarity of this find. Pearls, formed by the slow and painstaking process of an oyster, coating a foreign irritant with layer upon layer of nacre, are a true wonder of nature. It's estimated that only 1 in every 10,000 oysters will produce a pearl of any size, and even fewer will be perfectly spherical like this one. You turn it over in your hand, admiring its iridescent beauty, before carefully tucking it away in your pocket. Over time, the meaning of blue moon evolved, shifting from this astronomical phenomenon to a more general concept of rarity and infrequency. By the late 19th century, the phrase had taken on a figurative connotation, used to describe any event or occurrence that was exceptionally uncommon, a celestial event that was as rare as the appearance of a literal blue moon. Undeterred, you continue your search, sifting through the stream with even greater focus. Suddenly, your fingers brush against something sharp and jagged. You pull it out, and your eyes widen in awe. It's a fossilized shark tooth, ancient and weathered, a relic from a time long before humans walked the earth. But what exactly causes a blue moon to appear in the night sky? The answer lies in the intricate dance between the earth, the sun, and the moon, a delicate choreography that unfolds with metronomic precision, yet is occasionally disrupted by the vagaries of our celestial neighbors. Shark teeth are incredibly rare finds, especially in this part of the world. Fossils, in general, are a testament to the rarity of preserved biological remains, with only a tiny fraction of all organisms that have ever lived, leaving behind such tangible evidence of their existence. You reverently examine the tooth, tracing the serrated edges with your fingertips, marveling at the fact that this tiny piece of history has survived millions of years of erosion and upheaval. The moon's orbit around the Earth is not perfectly aligned with the Earth's orbit around the Sun, resulting in the familiar cycle of new moons, waxing crescents, full moons, and waning crescents. This cycle typically repeats itself every 29.5 days, with a new moon appearing approximately once a month. As you carefully place the fossil in your pocket, alongside the pearl, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder at the sheer improbability of these discoveries. The odds of stumbling upon such rare natural wonders, let alone within the span of a single day, are astronomically slim. But you're not deterred. If anything, these finds have only fueled your determination to uncover the elusive blue moon. However, the length of a calendar month is not precisely 29.5 days, but rather 30 or 31 days, depending on the month. This discrepancy means that sometimes a full moon will occur at the very beginning or end of a calendar month, resulting in a situation where two full moons can be observed within the same month. You continue your search, sifting through the riverbed with renewed vigor. Suddenly, your hands close around something soft and delicate. Lifting it up, you're greeted with the sight of a shimmering, iridescent feather, its barbs gleaming in the sunlight. This rare occurrence is what we know as a blue moon, a second full moon that appears within the same calendar month, a celestial event that is indeed as uncommon as the proverbial once in a blue moon. You recognize it immediately as the feather of a hummingbird, a creature known for its incredible rarity and elusiveness. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, with some species weighing no more than a penny. Their rapid wing beats, which can reach up to 80 flaps per second, allow them to hover in place and even fly backwards, a feat unmatched by any other bird. But the term blue moon can be somewhat misleading, as the moon itself does not actually appear blue in color during this phenomenon. The blue in blue moon refers solely to the rarity of the event, not to any change in the moon's hue. But it's not just their physical attributes that make hummingbirds so rare. These tiny creatures are incredibly sensitive to habitat loss and fragmentation, with many species facing the threat of extinction due to human activity. To find a feather from one of these amazing birds is a true stroke of luck, and you handle it with the utmost care, marveling at its delicate beauty. In fact, the moon can appear blue under certain atmospheric conditions, such as the presence of dust or smoke particles in the air. These particles can selectively scatter away certain wavelengths of light, resulting in a blue-tinged lunar surface. However, this is a separate phenomenon from the blue moon that occurs due to the irregular timing of the lunar cycle. As you tuck the feather away, you can't help but feel a growing sense of appreciation for the rarity of the natural world. These discoveries, each one more remarkable than the last, have opened your eyes to the incredible diversity and fragility of our planet. It's a humbling realization, and it only strengthens your resolve to find the blue moon. The infrequency of a true blue moon is what has led to the phrase's widespread use as a metaphor for something that happens rarely, a celestial occurrence that is as uncommon as a blue-tinged moon in the night sky. But the rarity of a blue moon is not the only factor that has contributed to its cultural significance. Time passes, and your search continues. You scour the riverbed, sifting through the sediment with ever-increasing diligence. Just when you're about to give up, your fingers brush against something smooth and round. Your heart leaps as you pull it out of the water, and there it is, a perfectly round, iridescent orb, shimmering with 1,000 hues of blue. Throughout history, the moon has been imbued with a sense of mystery and wonder, a celestial body that has captivated the human imagination for millennia. From the ancient Babylonians, who charted the moon's phases and cycles with meticulous precision, to the Inuit communities who used the lunar cycle to navigate their vast icy landscapes, the moon has long been a subject of fascination and reverence. You hold the blue moon in your hands, transfixed by its beauty. It's not the vibrant azure hue you had imagined, but rather a more subtle, ethereal shade that seems to shift and change with the light. This is no ordinary moon rock, but a natural wonder formed over the course of millions of years. In many cultures, the full moon has been associated with themes of transformation, spirituality, and the unknown. The moon's waxing and waning has been linked to the ebb and flow of the tides, the cycles of nature, and even the rhythms of the human body and mind. The appearance of a full moon in particular has often been seen as a time of heightened energy, heightened emotions, and heightened connection to the natural world. You see, the blue moon is not actually blue at all. It's a rare form of quartz known as blue chalcedony that forms when silica-rich groundwater seeps into volcanic rock and slowly crystallizes over time. The resulting gem is a true rarity, with only a handful of deposits found in remote regions of the world. It is against this backdrop of lunar veneration that the blue moon has taken on an additional layer of significance. For many, the rare occurrence of a second full moon within a single month is not just a celestial rarity, but a symbolic event, a moment of cosmic alignment that holds the potential for transformation, revelation, and the unexpected. As you hold the blue moon in your hands, you can't help but feel a profound sense of awe and gratitude. This is a phenomenon that has captured the imagination of people for centuries, a celestial event so rare and elusive that it has become the stuff of legend. And yet, here it is, a tangible representation of the incredible complexity and beauty of our natural world. In some traditions, the blue moon has been associated with the idea of second chances, a cosmic reset button that offers a brief window of opportunity to revisit, reconsider, or recalibrate one's life path. The rarity of the event is seen as a signal from the universe, a reminder that sometimes the most profound changes and revelations can come when we least expect them. This sense of the blue moon as a harbinger of the unexpected, the unusual, and the extraordinary has only served to heighten its cultural significance over time. In literature, film, and music, the blue moon has been invoked as a symbol of the magical, the mysterious, and the transcendent, a celestial event that defies the predictable patterns of the everyday and opens the door to the realm of the extraordinary. As you turn the gem over, admiring its every facet, you can't help but feel a deep sense of appreciation for the incredible journey that led you here. The pearl, the fossilized shark tooth, the hummingbird feather, each one a testament to the rarity and fragility of our natural world. And now, the blue moon, a true masterpiece of nature, a reminder that even in a world that often seems ordinary, there are extraordinary wonders waiting to be discovered. But the true significance of the blue moon extends far beyond its metaphorical and cultural associations. For astronomers and stargazers, the appearance of a blue moon is a genuine rarity, a celestial event that is worthy of observation, study, and celebration. You carefully tuck the blue moon away, cradling it in your hands as if it were the most precious treasure. And as you gaze out over the river, watching the water flow steadily on, you can't help but feel a deep sense of connection to the natural world around you. This journey has taught you the true meaning of rarity, of the incredible value and importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet. For those with a passion for the night sky, the appearance of a blue moon is a moment of excitement and anticipation. It is a chance to witness a celestial event that is as awe-inspiring as it is uncommon, a reminder of the sheer scale and complexity of the universe we inhabit. As you turn to leave, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and gratitude. The blue moon, once a distant dream, is now a tangible reality, a testament to the incredible resilience and beauty of our planet. And as you walk away, you know that this is just the beginning, that the wonders of the natural world are endless, and that with a little bit of persistence and a lot of luck, you can continue to uncover the rarest and most extraordinary phenomena that our world has to offer. And yet, despite the rarity of the blue moon, its appearance is often met with a sense of anticlimax. Because the term blue moon has become so firmly entrenched in our cultural lexicon as a metaphor for rarity, many people are surprised to discover that the actual moon itself does not actually appear blue in color during this phenomenon. In fact, The true wonder of the blue moon lies not in its color, but in its cosmic significance, the delicate interplay of celestial mechanics that conspires to produce this rare and exceptional event. It is a reminder of the vast, interconnected system of which our planet and our moon are but a tiny part, a testament to the precision and complexity of the universe that surrounds us. And for those who take the time to observe and appreciate the blue moon, the experience can be truly transformative. The sight of that second full moon, hanging low in the sky, can evoke a sense of awe and wonder that transcends the mundane concerns of everyday life. It is a moment of cosmic connection, a reminder of the vast and ancient rhythms that shape our existence. In this way, the blue moon serves as a powerful metaphor for the rarity and significance of all that is extraordinary in our lives. Just as the appearance of a second full moon within a single month is a celestial event of exceptional rarity, so too are the moments of transformation, revelation, and unexpected possibility that punctuate our human experience. It is the recognition of this rarity, this sense of the profound and the extraordinary in the midst of the ordinary, that gives the concept of the blue moon its enduring power and appeal. It is a reminder that sometimes the most profound and meaningful experiences in life are those that happen once in a blue moon, the moments of clarity, of connection, and of cosmic wonder that stand out amidst the endless march of the everyday. And so, as we gaze up at the night sky, marveling at the sight of that rare and exceptional lunar orb, we are invited to reflect on the rarity and significance of all that is extraordinary in our lives. Whether it is a personal transformation, a moment of unexpected joy, or a profound revelation, the blue moon serves as a celestial marker, a cosmic signpost that reminds us to cherish and savor the rare and precious moments that come our way. For in the end, the true power of the blue moon lies not in its physical appearance, but in its ability to inspire us, to challenge us, and to remind us of the vast and wondrous universe that we are all a part of. It is a celestial event that transcends the boundaries of time and space, a cosmic reminder that even in the midst of the ordinary, the extraordinary is always within our reach, if only we have the eyes to see it.